back to crave whatever. The things we need to make chicken tikka is 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, some salt to taste, some pepper, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, one tablespoon of oil. Now we need to mix all of the masalas together very well. So now the masala is mixed well. I'm going to add the chicken to it. And now I'm going to marinate it well. The chicken has been marinated now. Now I'm going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator for 30 to 40 minutes. Now that the chicken has been marinated, we are going to fry the chicken. For that, we will need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I have added the oil. Now I'm going to add the chicken. Now I'm going to cover it and let it fry for 20 minutes. Now it's been 20 minutes and I can turn the sides. I'm going to cover it again for another 5 to 10 minutes. You see the chicken is ready now. I'm going to take it out and then I'll show you the final result. Tomato chutney. We're going to add 1 big piece of tomato into the blender. I have 1 piece of garlic, clove chopped here. I'm going to add them. And 1 Thai chili. You can also use green chilies to spice the chutney. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, little water, little salt to taste. Now everything is in the blender and I'm going to blend it. The chutney is ready. Now we can take it out. So that is the final result. The Arbi Pulao, I'll be using chopped onions, minced garlic, 2 Thai chilies, and of course the main important ingredient is the Arbi masala. I'll be using lemon juice, red chili powder, oil, chicken cube, tomato paste, salt, ginger garlic paste. Now let's get started. Add some oil to the pan. Once the oil is heated, add the onions. Along with the onions, I'm going to add the minced garlic as well. See that the onions are soft, we can add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Tomato paste. And some green chilies or Thai chilies. 2 teaspoons of Arbi masala. 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we'll add the chicken cube along with some water. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix it all well. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. This is optional as well. If you want to make it spicy, you can add it. Now I'll add 2 cups of water. Now we'll add the rice. After adding the rice, we'll cover it for 10-15 minutes until the rice is done.